A stunning development from the Public Administration Appropriations Committee PAAC today. The Ministry of Finance cannot account for all the consultant advisors employed to the government.
At today's sitting of the PAAC, Acting Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison admitted that the procedures for employment are not being followed by all. We have the details in this report. On paper, there are 40 consultant advisors listed as being engaged to the various government ministries. But as it turns out, there are more. The exact number is unknown. This admission from the Acting Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison when she appeared before the PAAC on Wednesday.
The Ministry of Finance has some procedures in place which require that where a ministry wishes to engage consultants or advisors, they should in fact send information to the Ministry of Finance. We recognize that this has not obtained on all occasions.
Among the ministries where the numbers differ are tourism, finance, and national security. Some PAAC members got into specifics, naming known consultant advisors in some ministries like education. But listed on the document presented, that ministry only has one consultant. As for the others which were highlighted,
the ministry did not have documentation, did not get documentation on these persons on our initial request. We did check following the request on Monday, and yes, we have sent back to him to confirm that Mr. Higgins is with the Ministry of Education. The third person actually had said Roy Miller. Right, we were not able to identify Roy Miller. I think you just referenced Robert. Yes, I think there's a Robert Miller. With our checks yesterday, I think we came up with a Robert Miller, but with agriculture.
How many more of these, what I would call ghost consultants, exist within the system? Because if it is that before employment, it has to be approved by the Ministry of Finance. There are discrepancies between what came to us at the committee and what went to the Senate. And it is obvious that there are some out there, as you have found out when the chairman sent you. Is the ministry now looking at going through it with a fine-tooth comb in how many more of those ghost consultants are out there?
the Acting Financial Secretary says the ministry is in the process of putting together an accurate database of persons employed to the government, which includes the consultant advisors. But the PAAC chairman, Dr. Wickham McNeil, wants her to go further.
You have a band within which they're paid. We need to clear up and ensure that it is within this band, and those that are outside of it, what is the justification for it? Because what we're seeing is consultant advisors who are political advisors to ministers are now taking up positions in other organizations.
If anybody is going to speak of hypocrisy, then there must be some sort of comparative analysis. Because what I'm seeing here is 16 ministries, what I'm seeing here until the clarification comes, but certainly what I'm seeing here is 16 ministries totaling 40 advisors, consultants. And I do recall in another administration when 8 of 16 ministries totaled 40 consultants with a budget to the public purse of over $100 million.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.